The Indian stock market is down by over 9%, almost 10% since its all-time high in the last 2 months. But there has to be a reason for such a drop, right? So, what is the reason? Hello everyone, I'm Rakshit Pai, and in today's video I'll explain the three major reasons why the stock market, not just in India but globally, is correcting and what we as in retail investors can do in this regard. Our first reason for such a correction is pretty straightforward. We have had a bull run, the likes of which we have never seen. In the past 20 months, that is since March 2020, India's stock market has rallied 2.5 times only to have a sense of correction in the recent times. This was bound to happen. When the stock price goes up and the company's earnings are unable to catch up, we will see the company's valuation diverging from reality. So, when the market was on its way to all-time high, stocks quoted higher valuation. But these valuations were not in line with the earnings capability of the company. Hence, investors would take a step back and think, should I pay for such high valuation? Is it worth the risk or should I wait? And thus, the correction. Our second reason is taper tantrum. The term taper tantrum refers to the increase in US Treasury yield following the Federal Reserve announcement of future quantitative easing. The Federal Reserve declared that it will slow its purchases of treasury bonds in order to lower the amount of money it is injecting into the economy. The subsequent rise in the bond yields as a result of news was called taper tantrum. It means a reduction or completely stoppage in a phased manner the monetary support to the economy from its country's central bank. For more information, check the link in the description. I have explained taper tantrum in brief. The pandemic is our last reason for market correction. With a rise in number of cases, the chances of various governments going into full lockdown increases. Although the likelihood of full lockdown is remote, even a partial lockdown will severely affect our economy. I mean, we live in a globalized economy where each and every country is, in one way or another, dependent on each other. So, a full or even a semi lockdown in a well known Asian, European, North, or even South American country can affect India's economy drastically. So, the emergence of variants of virus is a scare that will last for another year or so, and we have no choice but to live with it. So expect market corrections from time to time. So what should retail investors do? Here are the 5 steps we should all take. Don't try to time the market. It's virtually impossible. And when there is correction, you invest. Invest in SIPs rather than lump sum and invest for long term. And the most important aspect is diversify your investments. That's it for today. Thank you for